wool. We'll break down their key features, what makes each one stand out, and who they're best suited for. Whether you're upgrading an old machine or buying your very first dishwasher, we've got the information you need to make a smart decision. This is a fantastic entry-level model that perfectly embodies Amana's no-nonsense approach. It also has a heated dry option. After the wash cycle, a heating element activates to help evaporate water, so your dishes come out ready to be put away. The ADB 1500 ADS also offers more cycle flexibility, including a 1-hour wash cycle for when you need clean dishes in a hurry. It's a bit quieter than our number 3 pick, making it a better fit for open-concept living spaces. At around 55 decibels, it's much more pleasant to be around, especially if your kitchen is the heart of your home. The tub is made of a hybrid material with a stainless steel interior door, which helps with drying performance and adds a touch of premium feel. With its quiet performance, advanced cycles, and clean design, the ADB 1700 ADS is the clear winner and our top recommendation for the best overall value from Amana. This smart feature automatically adjusts the wash for optimal cleaning and efficiency, saving you time, water, and energy. With the added convenience of a 1-hour wash cycle, It says the ideal choice for busy households that want a bit more automation without a major price jump. And finally, our number one pick is the Amana ADB 1700 ADS. This is the best of the best from Amana. If you're all about saving money and just need a machine that cleans dishes effectively, the ADB 1400 AGS is a fantastic no regrets purchase. B. If you have a bit more to spend and value convenience, the ADB 1500 ADS is a worthy upgrade. The soil scent cycle is a truly useful feature that makes daily operation easier and more efficient. This makes it a great mid-range option for families who run the dishwasher frequently. The Sani Rinse feature adds a layer of confidence that's priceless, especially for those with health concerns or young kids. They prove that you don't need to spend a fortune to get sparkling clean dishes. We hope this guide has helped you understand the Amana lineup a little better and made your decision-making process easier. Each of these models offers a fantastic value proposition in its own right.